Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and today I'm going to talk about top 7 big websites that uses Python. So as you know, there are thousands of Python websites on the internet, and Python is a powerful programming language that was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Uh, if you see more successful tech companies, they are choosing Python for the backend of their websites. So now let's get started. We're going to talk about the first website. So the first one is Instagram. Instagram is the biggest online photo sharing app, and Instagram uses Python on its backend. So according to Instagram engineering team, let me show you that they are saying that we are using Python. We are using Django web framework. So guys, now you can see this is the Instagram engineering.com, and if you see, Instagram currently features the world's largest deployment of the Django web framework, which is written entirely in Python. So Django is a web framework that is written in Python, and it is a Python web framework, and it's telling that we initially choose to use Python because of it is a reputation for simplicity and practicality, which aligns well with our philosophy of do the simple thing first. So now you can see that it's telling that Instagram is using Python. So the second website is Facebook. Facebook production engineers are exceptionally keen on Python, making it the third most popular language at the social media, just behind C++ and PHP. Now let me show you the Facebook official blog post about Python programming language and how they use Python and Facebook website. So guys, now you can see this is the engineering.fb.com, and it's telling that Python has long been the language most commonly used by production engineers at Facebook, and is the third most popular language at Facebook behind PHP and C++. Our engineers build and maintain thousands of Python libraries and binaries deployed across our entire infrastructure. So you can see already dozens of Facebook engineers commit code to Python utilities and services with a wide variety of purposes, including binary distribution, hardware imaging, operational automation, and infrastructure management. And you can see the diagram of Python at Facebook by numbers. We have 21% Python that Facebook uses, and we have C 15%, and Java 9%, and C++ 55%. So it's the biggest percent in C++. But after that we have Python, that it is 21%. So guys, the third one is Google. Now Google is the most widely used search engine in the world. So they use Python in different sections, like for example Google App Engine. Now Python was the language that Google App Engine was originally designed for. Google App Engine is an eminent sample of Python written application. It allows building web application with Python programming language using its rich collection of libraries, tools, and frameworks. So the second place is YouTube. Now YouTube is a big user of Python. The entire site uses Python for different purposes. For example, video views, controlling templates for website, video administration, and many more. And Python is everywhere at YouTube. And also the third section is that code.google.com that uses Python, and it's the main website for Google developers. So the fourth website is Spotify. Now Spotify is a digital music streaming service that gives you access to millions of songs, podcasts, and videos from artists all over the world, like Apple Music and Amazon Music and it uses Python in the backend and data analysis. So while Spotify website is built using WordPress, but the Spotify app is built using Python. Now let me just show you the blog from the Spotify about this. So guys, now you can see this is the Spotify labs, and it's telling that the most frequent question we heard at PyCon this weekend was how do we use Python at Spotify. Hopefully this post answers the question. At Spotify, the main two places we use Python are backend services and data analysis. So Python has a habit of turning up in other random places, as most of our developers are happy programming in it. And Spotify backend consists of many interdependent services connected by own messaging protocol over 0MQ and around 80% of these services are written in Python. So you can see this is their state about using of Python in Spotify. Okay guys, the fifth one is Netflix. Now Netflix is a streaming service that allows members to watch a wide variety of award-winning TV shows, movies, documentations, and more on thousands of internet-connected devices. And Netflix also uses Python. Now let me show you their blog post about using of Python in Netflix and how to use Python in Netflix. So according to their official posts, they are saying that we have blogged a lot about how we use Java here at Netflix, but Python's footprint in our environment continues to increase in honor. In honor of our sponsorship of PyCon, we wanted to highlight our many uses of Python at Netflix. So developers at Netflix have the freedom to choose the technologies best suited for the job. More and more developers turn to Python due to its rich batteries included standard libraries. So this is their blog post that they are telling about Python programming language that they uses in Netflix. So the sixth website is Uber, and Uber is offering services that include peer-to-peer ride-sharing, ride service, hailing, food delivery, and micromobility system with electric bikes and scooters. Uber uses Python in the lower level, and now let me show you that what's telling Uber engineers about Python programming language. According to the Uber engineering post in the language section, so they're telling that at the lower level, Uber's engineers primarily write in Python, Node.js, Go, and Java. So we started with two main languages, Node.js for the marketplace team and Python for everyone else. These first languages still power most services running at Uber today. So this is Uber engineering saying about the Python programming language. The seventh website is Dropbox. Now Dropbox is a file hosting service that offers cloud storage, file synchronization, personal cloud, and client software. In 2012, Dropbox hired the man who created Python, Guido van Rossum. And if you see their official blog post of Dropbox, because Guido retired and they have posted a blog about this. Now let me show you. So now you can see this is the blog.dropbox.com, and you can see company thank you Guido by Dropbox team, and you can see published on October 29. So after 6.5 years, Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python, is leaving Dropbox and heading into retirement. And you can see that our CEO Drew Houston's very first lines of code for Dropbox were written in Python. So you can see that Dropbox also uses Python. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe my channel and also like and share the video.